Test. Okay. The mic was broken for a bit. No, but today I'm going to test some more for the co-workspace and on Dollar Vibe Club. Currently all the other work is done. The two apps we have are currently in revision by Apple, so we'll wait and see until this is all set up. It will take a bit because yeah, Apple takes their time with this. It's a few days. But once they are active, I'll start doing more social media for them, and then we'll see. For now, I'm going to let them take a look at the prototype and then use my other AI on the side. Okay, I want to take a different approach. I want to try and build this in Unity. Could you make me a full prompt for Unity and then Codex will work in it? I don't know if we can do this in a repo or what the plan is, but just do a full research and then give me the prompt. And then we'll see. It will be a very short stream today, maybe an hour, 40 minutes or so. I even forgot the music. Oh, yeah, because yeah, currently I have all my client work done. So nothing I can show on stream. We'll wait for this to be done and then we'll continue. Or then we'll see where we're at. One moment. Just because it's easier to like copy the stream this way. Because I like having the chat box here in the top right. But we will see, because I will be doing ecom or trying to do more Shopify, either selling. I will do products, but also selling websites, because I always used to do that, just selling regular word or yeah, regular custom code websites. So then I'll probably also just start selling Shopify, just because it's so easy to connect either Codex or Claude to it, or Replit, for that matter. Like it's since this update dropped. I already spoke about this before in like former video, but definitely check out the Shopify update. It's truly like the time to be alive. Everyone. And soon, yeah, the agentic things will drop in TikTok shop. So all good. I also tried more of this. I haven't tried it fully yet, so I don't know if it's good or not, but instantly. Normally I should be logged in. I just want to see. I don't have the pro, but I just want to see. Didn't even tell me that. Wait. Okay, we see. I already see a problem. Let me see what the problem is with this. Connect existing. Let me see why this is glitched. But today will be a short stream. I'm just going to check out codecs and then what the other one does. Wait. Amine, welcome to the stream. Like I was first, I needed to think a bit on how to pronounce the name. I'm checking out instantly on the site. I'm checking out if this is good. What hacker? Or what do you mean? What is this? Continue. Oh. I'll just do this SMTP later so I can connect my email and automate it. I'm going to now use Codex and just try and build something really quick for $Vibe Club, and we'll see if it will work. Also, can I make multiple screens? Yeah, I'm a newbie in this thing because I never use it. No, you need no freebies in the stream. Like, but what plan are you currently on, Amine? Why can I not pronounce the name Amine? On what plan are you currently on, or which AI using? Codex, Claude? But we'll do a giveaway soon on the Vibe Club again, or competition. Why? There should be a way I can open multiple chats. But API keys I don't. But API credits I don't use myself, or I use it for one project, or well, client project. But then I like ask the clients to pay for the API because it's never on my own account because then it just like it's too expensive. Claude, on what subscription are you currently at? Just the 1x? No, but if you need the money to get more, what I would do is just go to some local restaurant because that's what I used to do, but like a while back. And this was for WordPress websites, and this was during high school. And now it's like much easier to make a website with AI. It's just send them an email, try and sell them a website, even for very, very cheap. Yes, it's so much. I use DeepSeek now. Ah, okay. Now, but I do recommend try and get the Claude 5x because it is good though. But just try and sell like a client or just a local guy a cheap website, even 500 bucks or something, just so that you can buy the higher subscription. Come on, there should be a way I can like. Here, just so I can have the tabs open. Let me see on the side what I need. DP providers. I'll probably take Brave or something. You just in your city, in your streets, you just need to send. The best way is just local clients. Just look around a bit or go on Google Maps. Ask Claude. If you just ask Claude, just tell it your city name and just tell him scrape the entire Google Maps because he can do it for free. scrape the entirety of Google Maps, find me people with no website or outdated websites, because all the outdated websites Claude can view. Because what I do notice, a lot of the newer websites have like built-in AI security, or just that the AI cannot view it. But all the old sites, the AI can view, and then you can immediately see, the site is from 2012. It's just you find broken websites, you send to people, and then you just say, okay, can I make you send? Just make them a demo, send it, do it for very cheap, 400, 500. And then I would even argue try and like bring them to Fiverr, just so that you can like get extra reviews and credibility for the next person, and then so on, so on. What is this? Let me see if I get my verification code. Normally I get it like in my computer, like because this is connected to each other because of like Apple. But sometimes I don't get the notification in the top right. What's this? Okay, nice. And then later on, but here I will, this I don't know 100%, but a good way to get clients is via Apollo also, but only if you have money already. First do it manually, sending emails for local clients, but later on you can go to, yeah, here, this logo, this, but this is paid, and I'm probably going to switch to a different one. I also don't pay for this. I used like the free credits and then I had even enough. But it's like you get 3 months free. It's like it's it's useful, but too expensive. It's like 50 a month. So I'm also like looking for cheaper alternatives to that because I do want to automate client outreach also out of or well, outside of Fiverr, just bringing people from outside Fiverr to Fiverr, get extra reviews, get that account to top rated because I do want my Fiverr account to be top rated at the end of the year. And that's just you get more benefits. You just get a higher class on the platform and more benefits. For all the ones that do not know what I do, I'll show you all. Or well, what I do as side hustle, where I get all the revenue that's on the channel is from Fiverr. And I sometimes show the dashboard, and this is only from Fiverr. Then there's like Fiverr doesn't take away your full day. It's like you just get free clients. You do them, you get extra money, and then you can like work on your passions and so on. But since I turned 18, 29 clients in the book, a bit more, but it says like 29 reviews, but it's like, yeah, 29 separate people, but sometimes they order like, yeah, one website, and then they later on ask me, install a AI chatbot for 500 bucks, and so on. But now 29 reviews in the books, so all good. And then Tommy has been on Fiverr for the last few years, 466, and he just turned top rated, so nice. Now the goal is to also become top rated on Fiverr. But I do think getting people off, so for people that aren't on Fiverr to Fiverr is just worth it for the extra reviews and credibility and just to get the rank. Also, is my co. Also, Andre, welcome to the chat. Welcome. I'm just letting Codex do some new testing via Unity, what Tommy was doing, but now refined. And I'm also just doing some stuff on my other screen with the Bravo or whatever this is called. I'm like searching for good SMTP mail things that aren't like 50 bucks a month. But Bravo seems the best one that I've seen currently, but I might be wrong. Email. And who knows, maybe I'll just sell like very cheap one-page websites, 500 bucks or six or 750 bucks, somewhere in between that. Just because those demos are like done in an hour or two, and then you've yo, Aviatars, welcome to the stream. I'm good, I'm good. I'm now checking some things with Codex for Dollar Vibe Club, seeing what I can do in Unity. And I'm also checking out SMTP emails. So what I want to do, I'll just show this on stream because I checked that it's not leaking anything. I want to like also get more clients from outside Fiverr to Fiverr just to get extra reviews and more credibility even more. Because if people, when I show them my Fiverr, if I show people my Fiverr, they're like, then they already see, 29 or 30 reviews in the books. Then they say, okay, he's legit. And I'll take the 21% loss just to like get the clients in. And then I also don't need to like, I have never had this problem, but I don't want like the whole hassle of a client trying to scam me or something or not wanting to pay. And with Fiverr, I know I get my money. And I know like I can like then take down the website if they don't pay or something. But like with Fiverr, I know the money, the payments are secure on both sides because of the whole escrow system. Also, is this almost done? Nope. This one is though. Like I'll check it in a few. I'm a bit scared what it will give me, but we'll see. This thing is just too slow. Authorize generate empty. Just testing some stuff. I will not use this key, but I'm just seeing. Why can I not talk with my with the agent? No, yeah, I could also use a domain, but I don't want. I want it like also fully automated without needing to like build a full tool. And I will probably need to connect my domain to it to like send the emails, but I just want to find a good tool that automates a lot of the process for the sending and finding. I know with Apollo you can do it, but it's like too expensive in my opinion. And they're not good at finding. They'll just scour LinkedIn and random. It's like they're good, but also not. But I might be wrong. Like I wasn't on the paid subscription. I was just on the free one, checking it a bit and watching videos of how it worked. There is a free trial, so maybe I'll try it. Professional. Oh, my bad. I like canceled the codex trying to do something. The AI assistant. Yes, I tried that later. I made app using Outlook accounts. Nice. And did you get any clients from it? I can't pronounce the name for some reason. Amine or Amine. I wanted to do that, but like at that like I would just needed to do more research into it. But did you get any clients from it or any success? I just know if you do this, it does work. Domain and mailbox purchasing, CRM, CSV. Interesting. Maybe I'll get a free demo. No, it was a different purpose to email. Okay. But did the marketing work or did you get anything from it or didn't see a lot of results? Is there a way I could visually preview this without needing to like download Unity? Why does everybody use Apple when they vibe code for the LARP, Ash? For the LARP. I literally bought a Mac Mini just for, I don't know, for the love of the game. Like, I used to work on a Windows. This is the first time I'm even using Mac. These last 40 days, like 10 days before I was streaming, I was on Windows, but now I'm like, have a Mac Mini, it's here. Because Apple runs faster, more close to Unix, so better. Yeah, true. But I would say you can still make money on both computers. It's not like that big of a problem. You can use both. It's just Apple has less problems, if you get what I mean with like, if you have a Windows computer for a long time, you will have some problems with either the BOS or something where you will need to watch a video on how to fix, for me at least. Is there a way you can visually preview or show this to me? Just because I don't want like, okay, it's doing it via homebrew. Also, for all the ones new in the chat, do say hi. Let me know what you're currently working on. Are you running local models on the Mini? I ended up deploying my custom. No, I'm not Aviatars. I'm not running any local models on the Mac Mini. I maybe should. It's like, I'm pretty sure I'm not using it to its fullest potential. I don't know what that was, but I'll ignore it. I know it's like trying to install Unity or something. I run 4B model on Claude CLI to run fine though. Fast, nice. I used to have a VPS, but it was like during the OpenClaw AGA when it was like a whole thing. I got it from Hostinger. Shout out to the people at Hostinger. Here, I know not the best one. There were, I think, better VPS things here, but I bought this one and then I just checked it. What's this? They're already also selling vibe coding. Let me see. How good is it? And also, why don't you use an AD? The prompting is a lot of you. What do you mean with ADE? Because I'm not a technical person. I didn't, but I dual boot to my links. Okay, nice. I've never used a Linux computer. Also, I see her hosting it also is trying to make something like a Replit or Lovable, etc., etc. Let me see if their websites are even nicer templates. It's a bit too basic for me for templates. Like, yeah, do AI sloppy, but it's maybe because I already built websites too much that I see like, for example, this color scheme. Like Replit has better templates. Or Vercel, this looks like just pure AI. I just skip the whole open this learning, put together a harness with Claude running on the VPS. Ah, nice. Yeah, maybe soon I'll also start doing something like that, or also make my own harness, or for the Dollar Vibe Club, and then later on open source it. Okay, interesting. Everybody's like making these vibe coding tools now. Hostinger, like. I got a few agents set up and they orchestrate themselves through a Discord server and I use Slack to talk to them. Nice, nice. What are you currently trying to build with them? Or what have you built with the agents? Okay, I'm not a big fan of this. I'm already seeing this that I will need models instead of the whole GLB shape thing what it's trying to do. Or I'll need to like explain it. But if this is Unity, it's nice. It means I can like load in high-res models. But then still, then it's like might be better to just keep working in a 3F or 3F, this thing, R3F, just because it's an easy and web-based, and then I know I can do some random stuff in it with the models. I'm structuring the backend ops for my general cleaning business. Ah, nice. Nice, nice. Also, is this done? Okay, he's being schizo. Agentic development environment, you can run my agents in one for like Claude Code Universal. Showed up there really good. Let me see. ADE AI. Ah, yeah, something like this. I might try it. I might try it just to give it a try. But the thing is, like, I know I'm like at the ORL basic level of AI. I can get done any project without any problem, but I do think if I use this, it would just be done faster. But I would just need to find a good one or, well, make one myself. But this one seems free, unless I am misjudging. Yo, Johnny, what's up? Welcome to stream. Also, let me see, like, before I download the shady files, is there like a payment wall or something? Or is this MIT? What does this license already mean? Forgot. Ah, okay, just so. Yeah, yeah, it's a good idea to build your own. What that one is still your own. Yeah, but it's good to start from a bit of code. Also, Luis, welcome to the chat. I always like, for like complex builds, I like it to already have a basic code base. So I know like a lot of it is already set up, and then the AI can like dissect it. Give me a way that open local host so that I can preview it, please. Thank you. And I'll try and fine tune this and see what's possible. But I'll probably dissect this one. How many stars does it have? 22. Okay, maybe a better one. GitHub ADA. Like you just a tip for if you need free code or like open source, just go to GitHub and search things up, and then you can like take IDs from it. But I don't see good ADA source code. What if I fully type it out? I'm just typing so quickly so I can like do just a development environment. Just because it makes it easier for me. No, let me see. Share lab, learn Claude Code. Nope. But I'll probably use just the GitHub I found and then dissect it. What exactly is even on it? But for me, like, as long as I get the work done, I'm not that interested in this yet. But I do understand, like, the hype of trying to make your own project or your own Jarvis or like fully speaking with it, or like when the hype was there that like people had like just one giant orb in the screen and then they talked with like Jarvis or whatever they posted. I might dissect this just to check. Right. Now, is the codex ready? That's the question here, localhost. I know we're like far from the fine tuning here and there, but we'll need to see. Try and use real models in the back. Also, the screens have too many random shapes in them. Just like add one block like screen share ready, like currently it's too glitched. Is there a way you can visually preview and then fine tune where needed? Normally should be able to do that. Try again. Oh well. Here, I'll make a Unity account, sign in, continue. But soon we'll make a Dalek Vibe Clip harness slash ADA and open source it, but it will take a time. It will probably be for like in the coming months or end of the year. Or well, end of the year, like somewhere in between. Try again here, now we'll see. But yeah, I'll probably set up in the SMTP soon. I have like the program somewhere that I made once. I just need to wire it up and then I'll send more outreach emails. Then I have like more client work to do that I can show on stream because then I like get all the, then like that is not contracted, that I'm like not contracted with, just freelance work that I can show. Because we're half through, or how many months? Okay, yeah, 6 months and like 3 days. The goal would be like the best goal would be for me, just for the love of the game. That's why I want to do it. Is like get 100 orders on Fiverr in these 6 months, and it's doable. Like around every 2-3 days, getting clients, finishing them on Fiverr, getting a review in. And I only need 70 reviews on Fiverr, and I have 100. And then we had like a nice milestone there, some extra money also, and then I can like also show, because you have so many gurus like online, like people saying, buy my 5K course. But in my opinion, they don't really show proof that they did anything except like fake that way there. And for most, I'm not saying all, but for most. And that way, like then I streamed it all and then I can show here, I did this without needing to sell some shady course. Everybody can do it. Especially because I'm just 18 or just turned 18 out of high school. But I was already like in the online working space, if you could call that, before I turned 18, or just knowing that school wasn't gonna get, or well, studying wasn't gonna get me anywhere where I wanted to be, especially not when I was like occasionally selling a WordPress website, and that was just like via Flatsum, like good times, good times. For all the ones that don't know what Flatsum is, Flatsum theme builder. This is what I used to build websites with. I don't even know I in that time, even now I didn't know a single line of code, but it was just like drag and drop. But when I was selling websites, we had ChatGPT, so then I could like make small changes with ChatGPT. For example, I make this moving. But nah, this was before the whole vibe coding aga. This was the way, Flatsum Theme Builder or Elementor, but I never used it a lot. Yeah, Elementor. This one is good, and then WordPress Flatsum. But like those times are over, just because we now have vibe coding. You can just talk with the AI and he will fully make it A to Z, get the images, make it all working. Because a WordPress website did take a while. It would take like a few hours. And with vibe coding, like if it's like not a complex back end, then it's like 40 minutes, 30 minutes, somewhere in between that. Try and zoom out. Try and use also different models. Now you have like the same model of the, what's it even called? Uh, of the cabinet, like all everywhere. It's like for the same or cabinet or whatever you call it. The bookcase. And also the screens need to be split up in two. That there's like a clear distinction, two screens where people can share their screen in. But I also see now you can like visually look at it, so that I do like. and try and improve everything visually you can. And also the DVC logo on the left should be more updated. Normally it has the updated version, but here, well, I prompted incorrectly. Like I know, like I should have explained it better. Could you give me a GLB model for the DVC logo? A nice one, just nicely animate just the letters. Maybe with like the rocket ship we have as the logo. My first Unity project, or well, I think I used Unity like years ago when I was like 13 or something. I like those two apps. Is there more cool apps? What do you mean, Amine? The ones I made or what do you mean? Do you mean the mobile apps or what? Or for WordPress related? Also, I should drop the video soon. I'll soon make the video, but if you mean this, like the WordPress flatsum, you can literally connect, like a lot of people, all the old timers or unks or whatever you want to call them, they will refuse to like get a custom code website and you need to sell them WordPress, but like what you can do, you can wire Claude into this. I don't know if they have it on the page. Let me quickly check. No, REST API. You connect Claude into it and he can make it A to Z for you. Like anything. No, I mean, personally, what I recommend is you don't need ADA per se. In my opinion, you don't need, if it will make your job a little bit faster, but you will get it done anyway. If you just put in the work and just log in for a bit. But it depends. If it's like really complex work, then an ADA will help with it. But if you're just making a hair salon website with a booking form, then you can just do it in a standard Claude Code or Codex or whatever model you use. Like then it's just better to just not mess around with all the fancy tools and just make quickly the hair salon website, make the booking thing, and all good. Boy, he didn't listen to me. Uh, Let me see if that's something. Is there a way we could make the walls more animated, more smooth? Normally you had wall models or you can download them at like the sites where you got all the other models from. Just that the walls don't look boring. Okay, I'm very curious what this thing will make me and what he will be able to do. Because I do know Unity is soon, very, very soon, and I might want to get into this because I always liked gaming a lot. But I'll then do this as like side also because I know this is not gonna make me money at the beginning, and I'll probably take the free subscription because I don't think it's worth it yet to pay 200 bucks for a pro account. But let me see, Unity AI now. And for the free account, it's nice because you have one MCP connection because I don't need multiple ones. If I just have one MCP connection, I wire up the code, the one and only Claude code, and then I'll just make a game. And maybe something simple, like, I don't know, somebody in chat told me this, like, this is rebuilt something like this, I don't remember. Like this game, you have like lots of people vibe coding games like this and selling them, apparently. And it's an easy way to make them also. So I might try and make something like that. Or something different, like a strategy game or something. And I do need to see what is possible if you connect Claude Code, like, because I do know you need models probably, but how, just how, what, where. What games actually are made with Unity? Because I actually don't know a lot. Well, I know of Silk Song. And this game works with sprites. I think I know this game, but no. Yeah, you just need models. I think models, when I do game development, like the stack will be meshy, just for the models. It's a bit, or else expensive. No, you just get free credits pretty much every day. Just for the models here, but you do need to like generate good ones. That's like the thing. But here you can just generate models quickly and then load them in. But there's a lot of preset models in Unity apparently, so if you can like wire up the AI to like take the preset models, like the trees and everything, make something nice. Because he's connected right now, I don't even know what he's doing technically in Unity. For now, I'm not gonna make a complex game. Well, we're gonna make the Dollar Vibe Club into like a small game, like nicely animated, you can walk around. Just like I wanted to say VR chat, but not really like VR chat. There's not really anything like it, what we want to do, as far as I know. Or Hubble Hotel. Also, I just noticed we don't have even music. Wait, let me even see. Wait, let me check something. One moment, because I just realized you didn't even have music. Okay, like... My bad, chat, my bad. What the fuck is this? Like, I don't know what to say. I see it's a problem in Unity. What it is, no clue. But we'll find it out together. What is this? No clue. Also, sorry all that the music wasn't on, because I didn't realize it. No, but the goal would be something like Hubble Hotel, like this, but like more enhanced, because this is, me and Tommy discussed this a bit, because now this game is I think dead. It's like from long ago. I didn't even know this existed, or well, I heard of it but never used it. Something like this but more advanced and more modern. But currently the version is not bad, but it's like I don't know, it's like I know schools use this during Corona because mine did. It was like you could like move around with the orbs, go close to each other with proximity chat, and then talk. But what is my usage empty? Crazy. I don't have a reset token. No, crazy. Usage is getting empty. Okay, now I'll continue with Claude Code. How do I connect Unity with Claude Code? Okay, so the step is navigate to window. Back in my project, DVC, or well. I already see problems here, bro. Okay, we'll just ask the Claude Code to fix it. But let me see. Yeah, okay. Claude chat. Let me see. Okay, so I need in some way or form, I need Claude Code wired up to my Unity so we can build stuff. How do we do it? I have one MCP. How do we do it? Via what? Do I do it in Claude Code tab and go work in your chat? and we'll go from there. But AI game development would be nice, or it would be a good way. It's 5 months ago.
In this window, scroll down a bit and code, but in this tutorial, we're gonna launch it in terminal. So we can type /mcp/c in this scene in Unity tools that enable some need to have, and you are currently ready. It's off and on, and you.
Okay, thanks for the. I don't know what YouTuber is this. Because I cannot open the here.
So it's gonna read my scene. It has some amount of objects, right?
Thanks for the goat, Ivan Murzak, for this.
The project, the status, because our flash, there are a lot of.
But it doesn't show anything being built. But I'll figure it out. Okay. New project. Let me first discuss with the co-founder, the one and only Claude. Quick question: if we wanted to build this in Unity, what do we build it as? 2D or what kind of project? Because you have like Claude's Universal 2D build universe. This is not. Let's go. What is this? FPS microwave. VR multiplayer. No. It's either gonna be one of these four, but what? Build and render pipe. Interesting. What is this here? Constantly open the wrong Claude. Build and render pipe or not? I have no clue what it. To avoid in the pipe, or the from mobile to high-end consoles, and this is like the simpler version, I think. Well, simpler, just a lower maintenance thing, if you can call it that. Not maintenance, but you know what I mean. No, not build and use URP. But do I have the project then on my local computer, on my cloud, and in the cloud? Or what do you think is the best way? I hope. Oh wait, what did you send me? Or... Wait, I mean, what were you trying to send? Because for some reason the message is getting blocked. Maybe, don't know why. Okay. Okay, nice. Now. Okay. But you know the ID, you know what the project needs to be built in, you know the whole style, right? And maybe we'll even build something differently. Wait, give me a moment. I need to find the screenshots. There's like some screenshot library we have. Let me see. Oh well, screenshot library is a big word. It's just a screenshot of the design. One moment, one moment. If I can find it, is the thing. Cool, like, I don't know where I put the screenshot, but... But I'll just explain visually to him, to the AI. Just that there's like one map, top-down view, like a whole campus view, that's like the view of a whole campus, people click, and then it like zooms into that building, and then they have like the rooms, you get what I mean? But for now, just make sure that we can even build one room, just make sure that we can have even one good room. So generate me the full prompt, and also think about the models. There's some preset models we can use in Unity. Worst case, we're gonna need to go into Meshy and generate some models. Here, like, Unity. Never had this open before, I think. Or not this, at least. Okay. Let me check if the Claude Code, the one and only, can even access the GitHub repo. Or remember what I named it. He can access it. Okay, this is a good sign. Like, he can already get into repo, so I won't have the full problem of like messing around with it and everything. So that's good. Give Claude Code a few to generate the prompt, and then we'll get started on this version. And all the ones new in the chat, do say hi. Let me know where you're from, what you're currently working on. And for all the ones wondering what I'm currently building, I'm building the Dollar Vibe Club. What we do is teach people how to make, or well, turn vibe coding into a business and make money online via Fiverr, selling websites, e-com, everything. And we don't sell some shady course, it's fully free. We will have more classrooms soon, but we had like, the latest classroom was a Shopify teacher, or well, a guy from Shopify explaining how he makes 100K in like 2-3 months each time, or well, yeah, something around that, or like each trimester or something, or however you call it. There's a video on YouTube for that, or on Tommy Yip XYZ's channel, or you can just join dollarvibeclub.com and then you can find it in the classrooms. Now, come on, V2. Let me already double check, like, what is Unity like? Interesting, interesting. Yo, the guy, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Also, let me see. Text mesh. Okay, this is gonna be... has more potential, but how and what? Claude Code will need to figure out. What's this? Oh, it's for like cinematic cutscenes. Interesting. Okay, is Claude Code ready? And then we can get started. I'm good, I'm good. I'm now doing some for Dollar Vibe Club. This is the first time I'm working in Unity actually with AI. So I'm very excited to see what is possible in this. I'll probably need to make models via Meshy or something, but we'll figure that out. But I can already see this has more potential on the whole R3F tree. And in the end, the AI already told me this before, you need to go into Blender anyway for models or Unity. I'll probably also need to get Blender, just so I can like get it all done. Can I add a floor? That's important. Okay, let's see if it's like fully wired up or like, normally it's the cloud and the clouds, yeah, here. So normally it should be directly wired up. Well, don't know. I just remember I put it like that. Let me even see this. I should have checked before. Was there even something in this? Nope. Connect Unity to GitHub automatically. Okay, I'll wait until what the AI says, but let me see if I can like connect something up in this. No, I have no clue what all of this is, man, but we'll figure it out together. Can't I not just Claude and MCP? Okay, he is trying to wire himself up, so we'll see. Oh. Can I do something like... Interesting, interesting. He is taking a while. Maybe I should have like... I don't think there's a connector, but just let me, maybe. No. Connect MCP Unity. Okay, yeah, they could have made it more clear. AI/AI. No. Like, normally I don't need to pay for this. Or is there like a separate free trial or what, how, why? Like, here's the steps. But yeah, I don't want tokens if it's like, normally should be free. Install Unity 6. Install the AI packages. Click the AI button in the editor and install. Cool. It's not add tab. I'm no Unity expert. This is the first time I even have this open, man. Oh, I'll need to read the documents on how this works. I'll also open these two for later, because I need them anyway. Now, what's the problem here? What do I need? Okay, I don't know, so we just don't save the project. Okay, here. In the main menu, go to Windows Package Man. Or maybe it needed to be in a project. No clue, man. Also, for all new in the chat, do say hi. Let me know what you're working on. Don't start conversation. What if I just want to wire up an MCP? Okay, so it's like that here. I'll disable this just because I'm not going to do anything currently. Add project settings. I don't see a way to... You know what? I'm just gonna let Claude figure this one out for me. Good, like sometimes you need to like ask Claude to double check. Overall, I can watch a tutorial and get it done that way, but like this is more fun to like get to know it. Let's see. Normally you should just be able to wire himself in. And I don't want the Unity AI because it's like expensive, I think. Let me see. For now, that doesn't matter. As long as I have the Unity free subscription, all good. You know what? I'm just gonna. I just noticed I need to freeze out. Yo, Blissman, what's up? Let me see what's included. Up. I'm just gonna link it to my cards that doesn't have anything on it. One moment. Well, I'm not gonna. One moment, I'm getting the free trial because I don't want it linked to any of my cards. So I'm gonna like I'm gonna just connect it to my empty Wise cards because I have like 5 of them, like the digital cards. Because that's always what I do when I do this kind of stuff. And I just block it on Wise so I don't like get billed randomly. I need to pay $1. Man, Unity is like, don't know, man. Like making me pay the $1. 1 USD to Unity. Here. All good. Shady ass package installed. Yo, Namaste and info. I'm just calling you Namaste, bro. But no, I'm trying to make a game for the Dalek Vibe Club. What we're like a school. We teach people how to teach or learn. Just get money online, turn vibe coding into business. It's fully free. We don't have like some shady course. And I'm like making a game, like a 3D office, the office of the future in Unity with AI. This is the first time I have Unity open. I'm now going to see how and what. Wait. I don't know. Oh well, I'll let this one continue. I don't even know what and he's not wired up to anything, as far as I know. Now, what do we do here? We need to follow the instructions. Genuinely no clue. Good question. Like what I generally need to do from this package by name. It showed me the name before, but I don't know. Yo, namaste. So that's all the income I made from Fiverr. That's all the income I made from Fiverr and only Fiverr. I sometimes show the dashboards just to show y'all it's real, but here. Since I turned 18, no, you can copy. That's what we teach. There's so much internet money, namaste. It's like insane, the amount of clients. It's like there's enough for everybody to be around. Even if there's like 1,000 of me, it would still be enough to get around. But no, since I turned 18 a few months ago, I've been working on Fiverr. 29 clients in the book, different clients. And all happy, and I just sell websites to them. Vibe coded, all around. Yeah, around 1,000, I would say. But wait, I'll show the dashboard in a few after I connect the MCP. And we have like a course in the Dollar Vibe Club, dollarvibeclub.com, where we explain how to do Fiverr and get money on Fiverr. Here, quickly show the course. It's totally free. You can download the PDF here. This is the admin screen, so there's buttons you all don't see. But here, open file. And then you can go through this, learn, and then you'll see. Why does Claude send me, like Claude has my phone number, I don't even know. I don't even know how, but I also work on a lot of other projects, and I'm going to do more ecom and mobile apps. Or well, ecom I need to get into. Mobile apps I do. I'm so sleep. The guy, do go to, or are you currently vibe going? What? But now I would go to sleep. The guy, especially just like 2 a.m. No, what did I wanna? I need to figure this out, but I have no clue. I don't even know how this Claude is doing its thing without me. Go to your Unity project. Maybe I don't even need to be in this. Here. There's no AI button. Unity project settings. I just use this screen for me to like double check. Okay, I have no doesn't like get explained. Okay, no, so you do need the AI package. Okay, I realized what the problem is. So I first need to go to this URL/AI. You go down here, you download the shady ass file. Oh wait, no, install it. Click the AI button in the editor, install it. But how? What chat? Yeah, I remember it kinda, but I kind of forgot also. No, but I don't remember what exactly it was, the guy. Also, all the ones new in the chat, because I do see we're getting more subscribers, say hi. Let me know what you're currently working on. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do like and subscribe. You're 2 subs away from 290. But let me see what the problem even is. Like, package, but where? Like, somewhere here, asset store. Settings. Package. Like, I know you all see me struggling, but then you all can, like, see it from the beginning, like... Wait. Well, I have no clue to what I need to do in here, man. Like, I assume this is the settings menu, but there's no AI immediately. The MCP also not. It's the package manager, but I don't know what package I need to install. That's the problem. So first we need to install this. Install the package. Windows package manager. Enter COM-US. Okay. I'm working on automated dropshipping bot. I wanted to search for publish my meta campaigns, answer WhatsApp, create automated websites and ads. Nice, nice. For websites, at the moment, I would do recommend to just double check them because AI does still make AI slop websites that you need to double check. Why? Window, like, where is this window? Like, Unity package manager. I'm creating a website where I can sell my Discord bots pre-made stuff because I don't know PL or other stuff to work on private can only get money using crypto. Ah, okay. Check what works and what doesn't. No, the AI will be good at doing ads. Namaste. If you check the Shopify updates, or well, I don't think it's released yet, but they are gonna fully optimize and like automate ads with AI. Cool. Where to find? This will be a short stream. I just want to like get this open.
Hey, there's the website of
The goat's
so
knowledge for all. A shout out to him.
Yourself only. things here. I'm not going to explain those or go this Unity Finder or all of those packages. Unity version, or you have changed the user interface yourself, you should be able to find it in different way by clicking on this window.
But I don't have that window, that's the problem. Because this is a Mac, like, might be cooked. If anybody knows how or what. Okay, so we weren't locked in, that was also a problem. We are in Package Manager by the looks of it. Now, add package by name. We are getting somewhere. And then you type in this, and then it should work. Please? Come on. Okay, I'm messing around like too many tabs, I know, but just also because I want to keep it on one screen now, so individual. Close a few of them. No, what was the problem with this? It can't find the name. Come. By technical name. I'm making a game or connecting Unity with AI to then make the $5 Club, the new map, but I cannot figure it out to like install. Because this thing of Unity is so like doesn't explain it well where I need to go. The only hope is this. Yeah, no. Cooked. We close everything and we open a new Unity tab. I think it's the only way. This here, project, connected. Don't know what this one's trying to do. Hey, just checking. Are you even in the in the Unity? Because I don't even know what he is doing. Learn to do Gino, down large apps. No, okay, so I need to do it somewhere in here, but I have no clue where. Yeah, no, it just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Like, it exactly follow the steps, it's just not working. Unity.com AI. And I even paid the $1 for this. $1 and it ain't working. Here, the AI gateway server built up. It's this or this I need, but I cannot do that without connecting the others. Okay, step 1. Install the AI in your Unity editor. Yeah, 6.7. Like, going insane from this. Like, don't even know package. Here, so we have this. And this is the wrong thing I see because I don't know where the package manager is. Like, I don't even know, like, who, like, I don't even remember how I opened the package manager in the first place, to be honest. Unity, download AI assistant. Is the or later via the Unity? Unity 6, so there's a difference to what I was using. Okay, problem solved. It's not. No, I don't know why it's not why it's delayed, but I think it's Wi-Fi maybe because my Wi-Fi still isn't fully fixed. But it's on ultra low latency, so no clue. This is Apple Silicon, as far as I know. Okay, so the real problem was meeting Unity Hub streamline. Close everything Unity related. We go to the applications. We do replace. One
Hey
minute
everyone.
seems
In this
interesting.
video, I'll show you how to open the new. Make sure you are using Unity Editor version 6.4 or above. If you're on an older, look at the top panel, feature beta
Okay, so I
assistant.
just had the wrong version installed in some way or form. Yeah, replace, and then I can open Unity. Now, Unity. Open. Oh. How? I don't even know how this works. Like, just broken. Unity Hub, then here, Unity. But I'll end stream in a few. I just wanted to like double check this on stream. But this, is this a new version? This is the same version? Now, what do I do? Meet the Unity Hub. Okay. Project. Add new project. Universal. Security alerts. No, how do I update the editor? That's also Unity. Fresh installed. Update Unity editor, it's outdated. How can how I literally downloaded the file from the internet today and also just updated it and it gave me the old version for some reason. Download Unity.
First things first, you're gonna need Unity Hub. If you don't have it already, just Google down. Just point code Unity Hub, right? And go ahead and install Unity Hub first and foremost. That's the first thing you need. Now,
Okay. Now here. Install with other. Cool. And which version do I need for AI? Unity 6, right? Like. I don't know why it needs to be this like difficult. Like why does it install the old version? It's just strange for me, like. Okay, we have enough gigabytes. Android apps, iOS, I also don't do. This I don't do. This I don't do. Language packages, I don't need. You know what? Because I'm not gonna use it anyway here. Just like this. But why Because you need to think, so it automatically, if I didn't know anything about Unity, I would have been struggling here, but like, it automatically puts a version of 2022 in here. Like, why doesn't it just install the most recent version for you, or like, a version that's not from 4 years ago? Crazy, like, all I can say, man. No. Now it will probably work. Once this is fully set up, then we'll get started to building, because I don't know what this one was doing and being like schizo all the time, no clue. If you know what he did, well, we were raiding while working. We'll need... can you improve the prompt even more? Because we had some problems with Unity, but now it's fully fixed. So I need a very, very detailed prompt with all the info. Just refine what you gave me, and then I'll get started. But I'm a bit tired, or not tired. I'm like, bit of like, why does Unity work this way? Like, why does it automatically install a version of 2022 on the main URL of the site? It's just strange. But then now it will be simple. We just wire up Claude Code, and then you can get started. And maybe an MCP server, but I'll probably do an AI gateway. I'm not gonna be doing all that other stuff. Install desired Virginia mods, for example, I'll go checking. The seed we have, that's no problem. But worst case, I'm gonna need to set up an MCP. Where's my Claude Code? Here. I'm now doing this off screen. I'm doing this off screen just because I don't want to leak anything. I don't want to have the whole hassle. But anyway, for all the ones new in the chat, do say hi. Let me know what you're currently working on. For all the ones wondering why I'm messing around with Unity, I'm trying to make a game for the Dollar Vibe Club, like the digital office of the future. And that's why I'm trying to fix all of this. Okay. Custom MCP, I remember I could do that. First, let's wait until this gets downloaded. And we'll need to see like what the best way is, either MCP or the gateway or whatever it's at. I'm just gonna go to Unity/AI here. The question truly is what's the way, either MCP server. I think MCP is either gonna be AI gateway or MCP server. It's gonna be one of these. After Unity is done. 10 gigabytes for pretty much nothing. So soon I'll be posting more reels too, or like shorts also on Insta. But I like need to get the Insta more set up. I'll be doing also gym content, or I already go to gym. Just gonna film myself while I vibe code it. I'll just take my phone and vibe code a bit client project. Because sometimes I do that. Like I make sometimes demos in the gym just because it's so easy. You just copy paste the chats in Claude and you makes it. But then I always do make the emails normally at my desk, or not emails, just the voice message, the text. But I have Whisperflow on my phone, so I'll probably do A to Z demos just from my phone while I'm in the gym. Then I'll just do some calisthenics or something. Why is the Wi-Fi so slow all of a sudden? Do we do it via an AI gateway or MCP? What is the best way? I just want to see what... I'm on Mac, by the way. Come on, like, it's taking too long for my preference. But then after we get this installed and the AI up and running, then I'll cook food and end the stream. But then I'll just tomorrow show you all the results if it gets connected. Okay. Okay, I hope I can just automatically do this. I'll just start a new project. This is all good. On the 6.0 version or whatever you call it. Okay, now we just hope the AI editor is just on the top. It's like no problem or anything for me to check. Assets. Yeah, this looks already more high-tech from what we had before. Nice. Yeah, selling models on Unity would also maybe be a business, but I don't know. Like, I just know people do pay for it. But in this day and age, maybe because AI will not replace it, but you all know what I mean. That's like, it's better to let AI do it. But there's a lot of people that still prefer, for a lot of things, human work, so. But people use, it's not AI replacing humans, it's like humans with AI replacing the ones that don't use it. This is taking a long while. I now know why it took 10 gigabytes, but we'll see. Let me already read through this a bit so I'm like prepared. This is like auto configure. Approve the connectors. Okay, importing, it's doing all its stuff. Done. Okay, agree and continue. Installing packages will take probably a few seconds. Okay, but this is promising. This is promising. And we just wire. I have the 20x subscription anyway, so even though we're probably gonna burn credits in this a lot without seeing results immediately, no worries. Like we have unlimited tokens to burn, and I need to like try and always max out my 20x to like get all the money's worth. Okay, he's setting everything up by the looks of it. The AI generation of models should also be interesting. I'm not sure if Claude can do it, but maybe he can because he will have the same skills as the Unity AI. And in the end of the days, the Unity AI is also kinda a rapper, or well, you know what I mean, not a harness, but like it's connected to either Opus or ChatGPT or something. Because they don't have their own AI server, as far as I know. Might be wrong though. Manage account. Oh wait. Need to follow the instructions to like get us all up and running. Now, in the AI project settings. I really need to like learn the Unity controls. I don't even know where the settings at. Where's the Unity settings? I need an image to like tell me where it's at. No. Am I not seeing it or like edit mode? No. Unity VSC, is it this? Yes. AI? Now. Unity MCP server. Yes, yes, yes. Training is allowed. Tools. The AI will get everything because I trust Claude, the one and only, with everything he needs. And he's gonna make it from scratch, so it's better that he has access to everything. Or is there a button I can... No, I need to manually click all this. This way I know he can like access everything without problems. Let me see this in full screen, like... What? Yeah, you need to check that icon range shows, yeah. If the error shows like start configure. The outer section can. Okay, so it's configured. It's on the path. No clue what this is. Approve. When external lines connect, Unity shows bang. Imagine the Unity. Okay. I'll just full on copy this here and then here. How do I wire this up? I have no clue. You can check what the manual says. Then after this, we'll end the stream. The AI will go on autopilot on a looping, and then we'll see from there. We're like at this step somewhere here, because we did this. Okay, he's like teaching himself, or he's like learning how this works. Here, he's reading the documents. Unity bridge is green. Let Unity write it for you. What? He doesn't let you. No, but the Claude has like a green thing next to it. It's already green and it says it's running, but I don't see it working. What is this? No clue. Genuinely no clue what that says, man. Okay. Didn't leak anything. Slash MCP. Now Claude Code. So slash MCP. Can't I just add it in? What do I need to add to just connect the MCP? Because your slash MCP doesn't work, I think. Well, I'll try it. I'm genuinely curious if it'll even do something. But I use Claude Dash, so it's probably connected to my terminal, but that I don't use. Are you connected to the Unity MCP? Connected. Let me see, why is this red icon? But I'm not using the terminal. I wanted to use the desktop app with Claude Code. I wanted to like have the connector set up in the cloud. Let me see, plugins, connectors. Add custom commute MCP URL. Or is it not possible or something? I'll literally go to terminal, Claude, yeah, because I don't have Claude installed in the terminal, so I don't even know terminal Claude start commands. Yeah, no, I don't know why or where it's connected. Claude and terminal Mac. Ooh, like. Yeah, I didn't even have Claude Code set up. Can you access the Unity MCP? And we'll see from there. I do not think it's gonna work, to be honest, but we'll see, we'll see. What? It works, it works. But you have full control, you can do everything you need, A to Z. And also in Obsidian, there's like a file Fort Knox. The Obsidian Vault you can read and like update it as you go for like the $5 clip. Okay, it works. Nice. I know I have a lot of Claude tabs open. Put this. Also, you go and loop yourself, you have full on, just make sure you do not use and spend credits in Unity or from the Unity AI yourself. You're allowed to just go full on out on your own subscription. You have 20x anyway, and you can loop yourself until this is done A to Z, fine tune, etc., etc., full on. Well, he's on Ultra Code, so you should know, like, but what's this? Let me click allow. Okay, we made it work in some magical way. I don't know how, but we did it. It was simpler than I thought. But I do want to know that he works legit before I go and cook food, and then I come back and then he says, ah, it wasn't connected. So he's thinking, but thinking some more. He's probably reading the full file. Once I see the first thing built, then I'm good. Then I'm good, and then we'll probably end stream. I cook my food. I think I'm just gonna cook some rice, eggs. I have some avocados I still want to eat, and then some meat. We'll need to see either chicken or beef. Always allow. We'll put this on bypass permissions. Oh. Okay. No, but it seems he's in it. Nice, like they made it more difficult than it had to be, man, with the full-on shady-ass file, with the full-on, like, just, it could have been simpler. But we also struggled a bit, but all good. He's reading his MD file, he's reading the Fort Knox memory vault thing, getting it all set up. He's doing some recon. I'll still 9 minutes or so, and then I'll end stream, and we had a good run. Then this AI is fully set up. We didn't do that much today, but hey, like, it's like, even if you don't see progress, you just need to put in the work and slow like build. Like, for now it's an empty file, but when we come back, it will be fully built, maybe. Why are you, but we'll let them emote for a bit in the corner. Let me verify open project and fresh OP. As a test, before you continue, could you just make a random block or a random edit in the Unity project so I know that you legit are connected? I don't want them to like mess around. I know normally you don't do that like while he's typing, but I just do it. Like, but nah, it's nice. You set it up and then you can work. For all the ones new in the chat, say hi, let me know what you're working on, don't be shy. For the ones currently wondering what I am doing, I'm working on the DVC, the Dollar Vibe Club. The whole goal of it is to just teach people how to make money online, explain everything, just how to get clients, vibe code, and turn vibe coding into a business. It's fully free, because that's also what I really wanted to do. Like, I'm 18 and like when growing up, you have so many gurus just saying, buy my 5K course, buy my course, learn how to make money, but they're just selling the dream of to get rich, and that's why also we made everything free. We will also be selling merch and everything with the courses, and the material will all be free, but like the merch will just be t-shirts, a cup of like a mug, a coffee mug, and everything. But nah, join the Dollar Vibe Club. There is currently a pending review, so when you make your account, you will be reviewed and so on. But here are a few documents, PDFs, with full info on how to get clients on Fiverr, how to do sales, and just how to set up your Fiverr and how to do sales. The sales are also good for just local sales, because that's a lot of things. Like example for like on Insta and everything, I think everybody have seen the reels, like just people saying, Vibe go to website, send them an email, but you do need to know sales. Like, you still need to know sales. It's like, not if you sell them a cheap website, they ain't always gonna say yes. Well, cheap, 500 bucks, 800 bucks. You still need to know sales, especially for bigger projects and so on. For if you like want to get that car dealership client or just everything. I'm not saying that the bakery isn't like high quality clients, but like less backend. A car dealership or like a what's it called? I should know the name. A real estate agency is gonna need more backend than a bakery, for example. And then you like need to know sales. So definitely go to dollarvibeclub.com. We have a few courses you can check out. They're fully free, so anyway, is Claude, has he made like a block or anything for me? I'm very curious, like, console. But let me see, because normally I have the original screenshots of like designs. Let me take a quick look at like everything. Normally it should have it. I need to play the ad so I can like watch the embedded YouTube video.
Hey everyone.
Yeah, not I wanted to double check. Also a follow, I know I mentioned the campus and everything already, but this is also kind of what I meant with the campus. But you can also give me a follow-up prompt that will also send in to the AI. Wait. Just look at the game, don't look at the UI. The UI we will add later on as in like a website or something, or maybe the AI will do it at the very end. But the game is the most important, so focus on that. Okay, but yeah, Unity it seems to be working, so. Okay, but then we had a good run. I'm gonna like make this prompt go, put it in here in the queue, and then be done. And he can also generate models, so that's the good thing. I don't know how exactly, but we will see, we will see. Or maybe it's a Unity AI only feature, but that I would find strange, because then it's wired up to something, but we'll see. Normally, I toggle it on. I saw it in like the permissions, like model or 3D model or model generation. So normally you should be able to make nice things, because he has the full knowledge of the Unity AI, or the Unity AI assistant. This is just wired up to an MCP, so should be fine. Okay. Also, you can loop yourself and just continue working until A to Z, until done. Don't ask me any questions at the beginning until everything is done. Okay, he's making that data. Okay, but then we had a good run. Okay, connect the floor. Opa. Okay, then I'm gonna end stream here. No, but we had a good run. Let me position the camera. We had a good run. We've set up the $5 Club Unity project, so we'll see what he'll give us. We'll probably see the result tomorrow or something, and I'll show you all. But hope you all enjoyed, and see you all next time.